Hi guys, this is the new project. This is a Modular Spaceship 8. So those who are following my channel or my work, as you know, this project that this contains 5 variation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is, you can see the the texture set. So what I did is like all of the part is separate. So this is like the antenna around, and you can say this is the body part. Let's say this one is the body part. Okay, this one is the head part. So yeah, as you can see, the spaceship is like the combination of the orange and the black color. So it's like I try to use as like a warm effect, warm color, something like that. And this effect on the back side is quite good. I mean looking quite good. And you can see this is the back side of the engine part. Okay, so it's like those who are following me, this project is like a Lego set. So this is like the 5 variation I produce. Every asset has the 5 variation. So you can see the rest of the asset or rest of the spaceship in my asset store. So it's like there. So as you can see, this is creating a like very warm warmish color, and I use metal effect here. So it's like kind of like a gold plate metal, as you can see in this part and this part also. So yeah, this is totally PBR ready, and this is the first part. So the second part will be from the Unity, HDRP, and then the Unreal. Okay, so please don't go anywhere, and please continue watching. So this is like the first part is done. So I'm going to the Unity, which is the second part. Thank you very much. Keep watching and keep sharing, and keep if you have any question, then please ask me. I will be happy to answer your call. So it's like like you just attach and snap the position, like this one is the rotated part of the body, the same body. You can have this kind of effect here. Okay, so this is like this I did. So yeah, this is the first part completed, and second part will be ready in short. Thank you. Hi guys, this is the second part of the Spaceship 8, Modular Spaceship 8. As you can see, I am in HDRP high definition template of the Unity. So as you can see, the Spaceship 8 is fully game ready, and the scene is the space. So yeah, you just have to go to the FBX folder, and you find the FBX, and also you will find the most importantly is the texture set. So as you can see, the texture set, I am keeping the ratio of 4096, which is the texture set actually. So recommended texture set, and also you can find the texture, and you can find the materials. The materials are there, as you can see here. Okay, so and finally if you're going to maximize the view, you can have the better look of this project. So as you can see here, so it's like a post-processing effect has been added, a little bit of post-processing effect for the bloom, and also, you know, the color correction and all that. So as you can see, the back side is like this, here, here, okay, here, here, okay, and also the last part is here. So all the elements, as it is a modular pack, so all the elements are you know, independent, and you can separate them. So it's like if I just drag this one, if I select this one, and you see this is different, this is different, and you see this one is different. So you can see the this one is the different part, and also this one, and also even the engine, also the separate part. So here is the twist. So you know, here is the thing. So yeah, you can, you know, make it, always make a new variation rather than this one. So let's say if you need another variation, so yeah, if you always needs to do the extra work, you know, kind of like this, okay, and set it like snap it to the option, like you know, C or a V, and snap them, okay. So yeah, nothing but nothing is impossible actually here. So something like that you can make. So I think the modular part, and also this is a double-headed spaceship actually. So yeah, you can do it on a double head, and you can do it on a single head. It's up to you actually, no problem. You can tweak the parts, the modular parts, and make a new one, okay. So guys, finally this is done, and this is from the Unity HDRP. So as you can see here, with the color correction and all that, this is game ready. You can use it directly in your project. So you just go to my asset store to, you know, to purchase this one, or if you need this one individually, you can DM me, no problem. You can contract with me that you need this collection. So this is number 8 is going on. So this is from the Unity, the second part is completed. So final part will be the same project in Unreal. So Unreal users and Unity users, you are welcome to use this this project, and I have this 2 version available in my asset store, and with my asset, and also you have the PBR texture. So don't worry that other users cannot use. Obviously other users use. We have the PBR version also, but this 2 is Unity, and Unreal is the game ready. You have the pack, you have the asset pack. You just directly you can import this one to your project. So thank you very much. Third part is coming. Thank you. Hello guys, this is the third part of the Spaceship 8. You are seeing it from the Unreal Engine 5.3. So as you can see, the same spaceship and the same space environment I just created with the HDRI sky. So as you can see, this is the Milky Way, and this is the spaceship in front of you. So it's like you know, you have like the Unity, you have the FBX folder, also the FBX folder, and you have the okay, and you have the maps, and also you have the texture. So all the texture are obviously 4K, and you have finally the correspondent materials. So yeah, these are the materials for the project, and this is totally game ready. So as you can see, if I can just maximize the view, yeah, you can have a very clear look at the emissive color. I mean the orange color and the reddish color. It's looking so nice, by the way. And light and shadow, I think it's quite okay. So yeah, and look from the bottom side, it's like this. Look from this side, this angle, the front side, it's looking like this. And from the side panel, as you can see, there is a separator, and every separator has the light effect. As you can see here the light effect, and also this one, and the engine light is looking so nice. I mean, yeah, you have the option to minimize the light. It's not like that bright, so it's like you can always adjust them. But you see from the back side, it's looking quite okay. From the back side, something like this, you see. And this, okay, and this also, and finally here. So from the back side is okay, and I used post-processing a little bit of effect for the bloom and all that. So yeah, I think it's totally ready for your importing in your project. And this asset I'm building as like you can use it for any kind of RTS game, and also any kind of environment making, sci-fi environment making. That should be okay for this one. So yeah, I think this is the done for now. And you always have the don't think that the emissive color is too bright, but you always have the option to minimize the effect. So I think it's giving me a very good final look. So yeah, if you need this one, so please don't hesitate to go to my asset store, and also in my Facebook page and YouTube to DM me to you need this one. And I'm making this one as a collection. So this one is number 8. Gradually it will come in number 8 and number 9, 10, and go on. So it's like my plan is to make a very big collection at the end. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I will come again with the new project, new spaceship, or any kind of project. So please stay with me, and please share this asset to your to your friends, and to your connection. Share this one, and stay with the OPUR. Thank you very much.